Sometimes a special plant in the garden deserves what I call the rock star treatment, something to lift it out of the background and put it on a pedestal. This young Canary Island dragon tree is a beautiful specimen already, with clean blue strappy foliage and an interesting trunk which has old leaf scars creating a pattern. I'm going to give this plant a stage using some of nature's most durable ornaments, pebbles. Now every stage needs an edge, and these white interlocking edging strips are just the shot. They'll contain my pebbles beautifully, and by the way, both pebbles and the strips are available at Bunnings Warehouse. Installation is a no-brainer, a perfect do-it-yourself job for the weekend. Simply create the shape of the inner boundary and lay the galvanised edge in position using a hammer and a block of wood to prevent any damage to the steel. Next, I'll repeat the operation for the outer shape, an oval. While you can go ahead and load in the pebbles onto the sand, I've found that they tend to work their way into the sand, and they can also allow weeds to take off. So I'm going to lay weed mat. So now I'm going to cut out the weed mat so that it fits all around very evenly and runs up the side, and then peg this in position with these steel weed mat pegs, just the shot for the job. Now it's time to add the pebbles. I'm using white for the inside circle and black around the outside. To achieve good coverage, you'll need about 8 bags per square metre for the white and 11 bags for the black. Now it's simply a matter of emptying the bags of pebbles, making sure, of course, that you don't get the colours mixed up. Not only do the pebbles look good, at this depth they act as a moisture-saving mulch, and the air spaces between mean that the soil is kept nice and cool underneath. Apart from specimen plants, this stage setting could also work brilliantly to highlight a water feature. Just one more inspired weekend project.